Okay, so I'm going to do a video today of just testing these solenoids on electric showers and replacing them. Really easy to do, but so first of all, just test it. So you set your multimeter to ohms, do a continuity ohms reading. Just plug your leads on. About 3.5 kilo ohms, which is a good solenoid. I'm still going to show you how to replace it anyway. Obviously I've already took the wires off. Your live goes to the left, neutral to the right. We'll just check yours, make sure. To remove these solenoids, all you have to do is just undo 2 screws. After you've undone your main incoming water, so just undo both of the screws, and then it will pull free easy. So make sure you don't replace that O-ring when you put your, but you'll probably get a new one with your new solenoid anyway. But if you're just stripping it out to get to this, then replace that O-ring and clean that gauze out. And that's it. Put it back. In fact, I'll turn it off and put it back because it's pain. Right, that's back in there. Both screws are done up. Just attach to the main inlet water now. Pretty easy job.